Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today in Weekend with the Quran I'm going to be doing Suratul Ankabut ayah number 21 to 27. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ayah number 21 says, Yu'azzibu man yasha'u wa yarhamu man yasha'u wa ilayhi tuklabun. So he punishes whoever he wills and shows mercy to whoever he wills, and you will be returned to him. So this is Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam calling his people towards Allah and telling them about him. So Allah is just and one true king. He forgives whoever he wills and he punishes whoever he wills, and his decisions are based on justice. So even though Allah has complete control over everything, yet his decisions are based on justice. Then the next ayah is ayah number 22. वमा अंतुम बिमोजिज़ीना फ़िल अर्ज़ि वला फ़िस समाई वमा लकुम मिन दूनिल्लाहि मिन वलिय्यिन वला नसीर. It means that, and you cannot escape him on the earth or in the heaven, nor have you any protector or helper besides Allah. So the entire universe belongs to Allah, and He is in complete control of everything. We cannot escape Him. To Him, all we will all be returned. So to Allah alone, we are all going to return, and we cannot run away from Him anywhere in the universe. So Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam told his people to believe in Allah. Moving on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 23. वल्लज़ीना कफ़रू बिआयातिल्लाहि व लिक़ाइहि उलाइका यइसू मिन रहमती व उलाइका लहुम अज़ाबुन अलीम. And as for those who disbelieve in Allah's signs, the signs of Allah around Him and the meeting with Him, it is they who will have no hope in His mercy, and it is they who will suffer a painful punishment. So these people who don't believe in Allah, who don't believe in Judgment Day, they will not have any hope from the mercy of Allah. Then the next ayah is ayah number 24. फमा काना जवाब कौमिही इल्ला अन क़ालू क़्तुलूहु औ हर्रिकूहु फ़अनजाहु अल्लाहु मिनन नार इन्ना फ़ी ज़ालिका लआयातन लिक़ौमी युमिनून. So the answer of their qawm was that, but the only response of Ibrahim's people was that they said that kill him or burn him, but Allah saved him from the fire, and we know the story. Surely in this are signs for the people who believe. Moving on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 25. وَقَالَ إِنَّمَا اتَّخَذْتُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ أَوْثَانًا मुवद्दत बैनकुम फिल हयात दुनिया सुम्मा यौमल क़ियामति यकफुरु बाज़ुकुम बिबाज़ि व यलअनु बाज़ुकुम बाज़ा व मअवाकुमुन नारु व मा लकुम मिन नासिरीन. So it means that he said to his people that you have taken idols for worship instead of Allah, only to keep the bond of harmony among yourselves and your worldly life, because you don't want to change your lifestyle. You have so that's why you've taken these idols as your God. But on the day of judgment, you will disown and curse one another. So you will not be owning them. When you will be asked on day of judgment, you will say that we don't know each other, we did not worship them. Your home will be the fire, and you will have no helper. So on that day, you will not have any helper. Ayah number 26 is فَآمَنَ لَهُ لُوط وَقَالَ إِنِّي مُهَاجِرٌ إِلَىٰ رَبِّي إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. So Lut alayhi salam, we know that he was a relative of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. He believed in him, and Ibrahim said that I am immigrating in obedience to my Lord. So after he came out of the fire, still his nation did not believe, so he moved from that place. He alone is indeed the Almighty, All-Wise. So Prophet Ibrahim migrated for Allah. Moving on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 27, and this is the last ayah for today. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ وَجَعَلْنَا فِي ذُرِّيَّتِهِ النُّبُوَّةَ وَالْكِتَابَ وَآتَيْنَاهُ أَجْرَهُ فِي الدُّنْيَا وَإِنَّهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ لَمِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. So because of what he did, Allah blessed him with Ishaq and later Yaqub, and reserved prophethood and revelation. So we know that a long chain of prophets came from the children of Prophet Ishaq alayhi salam all till Prophet Isa alayhi salam, and then there was a long chain of prophets that came. So and revelation for the let's read it again. We blessed him with Ishaq and later Yaqub, and reserved prophethood and revelation for his descendants. We gave him his reward in this life, and hereafter he will certainly be among the righteous. So he got his reward in this life, as well as there is going to be a great reward for him in the hereafter. So alhamdulillah, these were the ayahs for this weekend. Inshallah, on the next weekend we will continue further. That's all for today. Fi aman Allah.